Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone into an IR blaster. With this simple DIY project, you will be able to control your TV, air conditioner or any other IR device directly from your phone. Let's get started. Here are the materials you will need. A lightning to 3.5mm adapter. Alternatively, you can use a lightning to USB-C adapter and an USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. In this video, we'll be using the lightning to USB-C and USB-C to 3.5mm setup, a 3.5mm stereo TRS jack, an IR LED. You will also need a soldering iron and some solder. First, take your 3.5mm jack and remove the outer sleeve to expose the internals. You will see 3 leads, left, right and ground. Let's set up the portable soldering iron. We won't be using the ground lead, so you can cut it off. Now let's connect the IR LED. Take the LED and solder its anode to left channel and cathode to right channel, or anode to right channel and cathode to left channel. Make sure the connections are secure.
Five minutes later. One eternity later.
After soldering, insulate the connection to prevent any shorts. You can use electrical tape, heatsink tubing, or even a piece of paper. Once insulated, slide the sleeve back over the jack for a cleaner look. Next, let's assemble the adapters. First, connect the USB-C to 3.5mm dongle to the lightning to USB-C adapter. Then, plug your 3.5mm jack into the dongle. Finally, connect the entire assembly to your iPhone's lightning port. Now, open the Oxstar app. Link can be found in the description below. When prompted, select the second device. Once connected, you can select any device you want to control. For this test, I will be adding the OnePlus TV and turning it on. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and see you next time.